Good afternoon. Welcome to the Real Estate Show with Kristie Brady of Strata Realty Group. I got to ask you one question before we get into the main part of the show. Is summertime a time when a lot of people like to look at homes?
Yes, I actually sold 2 houses over the weekend.
That's awesome. Let's talk about some important things to do before a prospective buyer calls you.
Well, according to the U.S. News World Report in 2014, they recommend 7 specific steps before you actually call a realtor. The first one is you need to clean up your credit score. Your credit score will be reviewed by lenders, and it plays an important role in determining how much house you can buy. If you know you won't be moving into a new house for at least 6 to 8 months, you have plenty of time to do some legwork to clean up your credit. Order your free credit report from Equifax, TransUnion, or Experian, and make sure it's free of any mistakes. Another thing to do is to kick your credit card habit. Another step to cleaning up your credit history, make sure you aren't buried under credit card debt. Take steps to stop credit card spending and consider using a balance transfer credit card to reduce your debt load faster. Kicking a credit card habit can help you get a handle on your finances so making mortgage payments isn't overwhelming. The third one is to hash out monthly payments. If credit card and loan payments make up a big percentage of your monthly payments, you may reduce your chances of getting an attractive mortgage loan. Taking steps to lower monthly payments can put you in a better financial position for a mortgage and also reduce some of the stress of making that monthly mortgage payment. The fourth one is to define exactly what you want. Your home is one of the biggest purchases you will ever make, and you need to have a clear idea of exactly what you're looking for before you begin the search. While you should get pre-approved early in the process, don't wait for the pre-approval to narrow down your search. You need to determine what the non-negotiable items are in your future home and what you're willing to compromise on. Take the time to list what features, floor plans, and style of home you're most interested in, what type of neighborhood you want to live in, and other key details. The fifth one is to commit to a savings plan. When you start thinking about moving, take the time to reorganize your budget and put together a savings plan for the down payment, closing costs, and moving costs. Putting yourself in a position to make a larger down payment can save you money on mortgage payments in the long run and make you more attractive to the lender. Also, if you're a first-time home buyer, don't overlook down payment assistance programs. Number 6, set your own budget parameters. Even though you may be pre-approved for a certain amount, there's no rule that says you can't set your own budget than your pre-approval amount. Doing so can give you more confidence with your finances and may free up more money for other expenses. Whether you want to have more money to travel or prefer to live with a higher disposable income, adjust your budget limits to suit your own lifestyle. And the 7th one is to go get pre-approved. It's exciting to start the home buying process by visiting open houses or calling a realtor, but it's a good idea to have a pre-approval letter in your pocket before you actually step foot in your dream home. Your pre-approval letter will tell you how much you can really afford and make it easier to narrow down your search. Having that pre-approval letter will also give you some negotiating power when you start working with sellers. You'll have a greater chance of having an offer accepted when you have a letter saying that you're already in a financial position to buy a home.
And Kristie has a special guest in the studio today. It's Annette Hunt of Guild Mortgage.
Hi, Annette.
Hey, Kristie, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. I understand that people think it's tough to get a home loan. Is it really hard to qualify?
You know, I get that question a lot. Actually, it's not tough at all. All you have to do is call in, I get your basic information, set an appointment to come see me. I'll also check your credit, see where it stands, and then analyze all the info with the documents you bring to your appointment.
What about credit?
You know, credit varies between the different programs that we try to qualify our clients with. We do FHA, VA, USDA, conventional. We oftentimes do jumbo loans too. So those who are looking for something outside of 417 loan amount, we're often able to qualify them as well. When it comes to credit, the lowest score that is acceptable is a 580. So if you're a little bit lower than that, still come in and see us. We have some amazing things that we can do to help lift that credit score up a little bit.
And how are the rates right now?
You know, that's a loaded question. And the reason why I say that is because our markets go up and down every day. Sometimes we can have rate changes up to 2 times a day. I watch the markets very, very carefully. A lot of what happens in the world happens within the mortgage rates too. It could be the feds coming out with a new statement for that month. It could be any number of things.
How do they contact you?
You know, they can reach us at the office at 775-299-4290 and just ask for myself, Annette, and I'll be happy to help you.
And for more information, contact Kristie Brady at KristieOnline.com, KRISTIE online.com, or by phone at 775-385-7679.